What if I told you that the shells beneath your feet are vanishing? Not because of people collecting them, but because the ocean is turning acidic. This is happening right now, and the clams are on the front lines. When we burn fossil fuels, carbon dioxide doesn't just stay in the air. About a third of it dissolves into the ocean. And that starts a chain reaction.
The ocean becomes more acidic. Not enough to burn you, but just enough to dissolve calcium carbonate, the stuff clams use to build their shells.
Here's what happens. CO2 gas combines with H2O to make H2CO3. Then that carbonic acid breaks apart, which makes hydrogen and bicarbonate. And those hydrogen ions, they are the problem. Hydrogen ions make the water more acidic, and they bond with carbonate ions, the very building blocks clams need to build shells. Hydrogen bonds with CO3 to make HCO3. So instead of clams having plenty of carbonate, CO3, to build calcium carbonate, CaCO3, they're stuck in a chemical tug of war. Clams aren't the only ones in trouble. Coral reefs, the very rainforests of the sea, are also feeling the effects of ocean acidification.
Corals build their skeletons out of calcium carbonate, just like the clams. But as ocean pH rises, the water holds less carbonate. That makes it harder for corals to grow and easier for skeletons to dissolve. Imagine trying to build a house, but the bricks are dissolving in your hands. Corals provide food and shelter to a quarter of all marine species. So when coral structure collapse, whole ecosystems start to unravel.
So overall, corals and marine life in general are all affected by our misuse of CO2 emissions. Even though you might think the CO2 doesn't even touch marine life because of their natural habitat being water, not air, the water is actually what is hurting them when in contact with CO2.